So hi guys, so today we are gonna solve finding vaccine. Actually I've already made a Hindi explanation on this, but I got a request for a English one, so I'm making this video again in English. So let's see how this question is done. So this question was a part of Hacker at August EC, and it was a really it was the first question, really basic. You just have to see how the test cases work and how everything is going. It's not that much. It's look like a very big problem, but it doesn't have that much anything like that. So I'm not gonna read this whole thing. I'm gonna explain you how what the question says. Okay. So what we're given first is we're given an n that is the length of the RNA sequence. Okay, RNA sequence is like a constituent of the virus. Okay, and it only consists of these letters G, A, C, and U. Okay, so we are given a string containing it, and it contains G, A, C, and U. And then we are given many vaccines and its length and the vaccine again. Okay, so for this question we are only interested with G and C. Why? Because G of the virus will react with C of the vaccine, and C of the C of the virus will react with G of the vaccine. Okay, so the more the number of reactions, the better the vaccine is. So this is what the question is based on. Okay, so what you might have got wrong is, this was an easy question. What you might have got wrong is like in making the pairs. So why? Cause see, if you have read this test case and studied it, you might have got it. So what's the thing is, like suppose you have G, A, C, U, C, G. Okay, two G's and two C's. Okay, in this is for the virus, and this is for the vaccine. This is A, U, G, C, A, U. So what you might have done was, for this G you have taken this C, for this C you have taken this G and made a pair, and this C and G would be left. This what you might have made wrong, but no, this is not we are so this is not how we are going to make a pair. So in for this question, what is it's based on is like this C will also react with this G. So what meaning to say G C, G C, and C and G. So suppose this is for the virus and this is for the vaccine. Okay, so this G will react with this C. Okay, this G will react with this C, and this G will also react with this C. And for now, this C of the virus react with G of the vaccine. So this C reacts with the G of here, and again this C will again react with the G over here. Hello. Okay, getting it. Meaning to say, like if there are G, 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 and C, 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 G, C, C, C. Okay, so this will react with this will react with this will react with this. Now this will react with this will react with this will react with this. So each and every G over here will react with each and every C, and each and every C will react with each and every G. Okay, so it's not like if two are making pair then it's over. No, it will react with each and every element, each and every G or C. Okay, and same applies vice versa also. It's not like it's only virus react with vaccine. Nothing more in this. So now we are going to see how we are going to approach the question. So first we will count. First we'll count that number of C comma G in virus. Okay. Then we are gonna count C and G in vaccine. Each and every vaccine we have to count. Then we'll compare how many reactions are there, and we are gonna print the maximum one. So come, I'm gonna show the. So let me show you the solution, the code over here. Okay. So first, what we are gonna do is we are counting the number of C's. Then we are counting the number of G's in the virus first. Okay, then we take input the then we are going to take the vaccine as the input, and we are going to count again C and G. Then we are going to see how many C and G react. So so how many react? So this thing, R count C to S count G. How this comes? Let me show you. So what the formula becomes is G C into G plus G into C. How this comes? C, this C is the total number of C in total. Okay, total. This, remember this, total number of C in virus. This is total number of G in vaccine. This is total number of G in G in virus, and this is total number of C in vaccine. Okay, so this is the formula, cause each and every C of virus react with each and every G of vaccine. Each and every G of virus react with each and every C of vaccine. So this this is how the formula comes. And now we are gonna we are gonna count the C with G, and then we are gonna count G with C, and then we are gonna add it and make the total. So if the total is found more than the max which we have found earlier, we are gonna replace the max, and we have to print the position. Okay, we don't have to print the maximum, we have to print the position. So this is why we add I. So we store I, and this plus 1 is done cause here we have started from 0. If we have started from 1, then plus 1 would not have been there. And in the last we print the index of this position. So this was the code. So I will paste the link in the description, and I also have a Telegram. If you want to join, you can join. You will find many free certification courses and competitive coding course, many things are there, internship and job opportunities. So if you want to join, you can join there. So until then, thank you, and meet you in the next video.
Adios.